Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'll be reviewing Camlin whiteboard marker pen actually. And this is not permanent marker, so you have to like wipe it off once you done with this particular marker. Okay, so the important features and the setup I am using. So obviously if you are a student or you are a working personnel or you are an online tutor or something, so this kind of setup will be very useful. A whiteboard, so different sizes it will be getting, and a stand is mandatory, so you can properly teach students by standing and doing that. Student also they can daily timetable and important stuff that we will come to later after explaining this particular thing. Okay, so this is a whiteboard marker pen, so different colors available. So this one is blue and black. Okay, so and this is a number one brand they claim. Camlin, obviously everyone knows this particular thing. So important features are like bold and visible writing, that's true, or brighter ink we have, that is also true, and easy to wipe off even after 24 hours. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, so whenever you so you can see there are some mark like color is still there after like wiping it off, because after 24 hours something later you are doing the wiping off, so it will be a little bit difficult actually. And for removing these stains I have a important tip for you, so at the end of the video I'll be explaining how to remove the stains and all. Okay. And another thing is that xylene and toluene free, so that is some obviously we can assume there will be some harmful chemicals, and there is a longer cap of time of 24 hours actually. So one more thing is that when the cap is removed for a long time, so the ink is evaporates actually, maybe some components used in that particular thing. Okay, so this total price is 49 actually. So this one in the video description I will be sharing the link to purchase this thing, so you can see and also I will be giving the board as well as stand thing, whatever you need for starting an online classes or your daily studies or for your work from home stuff or something. Okay, and this is a Japanese bullet tip they are using, up to 2.5 mm is the line width actually. Okay, now so whatever I written here, this is using this particular Camlin only. So let's do a like trial thing, we can check. Okay, so if I write something like okay, hello, so you can see that it is a very smooth, like very smooth and very bold and bright also, this particular ink, and it is very easy to hold and thing. And one more thing is that it is refillable, you can remove this and fill the ink. So ink also you can separately buy, because after some like I think the life is quite good, so after some time you need to replace. If you are an online tutor or you are doing some online classes, it is very important to like after some time the ink will like end, then you can easily refill this thing and continuously it's using. Every time you don't have to buy a particular marker actually. So in different colors also there, red color is there, green also there, so all that colors I will be sharing with that thing. Okay, and this is the stand I am using, so I will share the link of this thing also, so you can easily place like big boards also. This is 2 by 3 feet board, and different size also you can hold, and vertically also you can hold and horizontally also you can hold. Okay, so I will just show the like how the construction of this board. Okay, there is 3 legs are provided for proper support angle, this is simple, and there is a whiteboard also. This is a 3x4 board, so I will share the link of this particular stuff also. So how it will be useful, daily you can plan, suppose there is a matrix I am using, urgent, important and pending actually. So whatever pending task I will be mentioning here, so whatever is very urgent, so I will be writing here off. And another thing, important thing, so I have to mention the important things I should be doing. So the problem is that if the important things, if you don't properly taken care, it will jump to urgent very soon actually. So this kind of metrics or anything you can use will be really good for your studies as well as your work from home, as well as you are an online tutor. This kind of stuff will help you a lot. So overall I can say that this is a very good marker. From the brand name itself you can say it is a very good one. And I hope if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel as well as like the video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.